Mastering Inferences and Conclusions in GMAT Reading Comprehension. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of the GMAT Reading Comprehension section: drawing inferences and conclusions. Being able to infer information and draw conclusions from a passage is a valuable skill not just for the GMAT but for understanding complex texts in general. Let's unravel the mysteries of this topic together. First and foremost, it's important to distinguish between inferences and conclusions. Inferences. These are logical deductions or assumptions we can make based on the given information in the passage. They aren't explicitly stated but can be reasonably derived from the content. Conclusions. Conclusions are the main ideas or themes the author intends to convey through the passage. It's the central point or message of the text. In simple terms, while inferences are the pieces of the puzzle you deduce, conclusions are the complete picture the author is painting. 1. Focus on the unstated. Always be on the lookout for information that isn't directly mentioned but can be deduced from the provided details. 2. Stay within the passage. Do not make inferences based on personal knowledge or opinions. Your inferences should always be rooted in the passage. 3. Look for contextual clues. Words or phrases can provide hints about what the author is implying. For instance, if the author says, "Despite the rain, Jane went for a run," you can infer that Jane is committed to her fitness routine. 1. Hone in on the main idea. Ask yourself, what's the primary message the author wants to convey? Often, the conclusion aligns with the main theme. 2. Be wary of details. Don't mistake supporting details for conclusions. While they are essential to understand the passage, they aren't the overarching message. 3. Summarize. After reading the passage, try to summarize it in a sentence or two. This will help you grasp the conclusion more effectively. To master drawing inferences and conclusions. 1. Regularly practice. Pick random articles or texts and try to identify inferences and conclusions. 2. Analyze mistakes. If you're practicing with GMAT-style questions and get them wrong, understand where you erred. Did you infer too much or too little? Was your conclusion too narrow or too broad? 3. Stay curious. Approach every reading passage with curiosity. Try to delve deep into what the author is trying to communicate, and you'll naturally get better at drawing inferences and conclusions. Drawing inferences and reaching conclusions are like muscles. The more you exercise them, the stronger they get. Remember, the GMAT tests your ability to think critically and understand intricate passages. With dedication and practice, you'll become a pro at it in no time. Here's hoping this video shed some light on the topic and set you on the path to GMAT success. Until next time, happy studying!